You're traveling through another dimension, a dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. That's the signpost up ahead. Your next stop, the Riparian Zone. Alumni Drive Stream, Lexington, Kentucky. A site on the south end of campus adjacent to a winding road, cutting through a mix of impermeable pavement, athletic fields, and the Arboretum. Loved by some, utilized by many. Once and always a treeless drainage ditch, this stream has lived its days happily ignorant to its own shortcomings. Trash mitigation, followed by grasses and forbs. Designed for a different era, this stream has no idea the amount of extra runoff that will be coming its way. Generally speaking, our stream is a drainage ditch for storm water runoff, but we, as designers and engineers, know that new construction will come with increased discharge. Knowing this, a volume design change will definitely be needed. The University of Kentucky has begun this design process to help manage for the increase in sediment, and more information on this plan can be found in our poster. We decided to take their plan a step further and make a new stream altogether. As the general use of the area changes, the stream will encounter varying inputs, morphing into and out of different stream classifications. We see a bright and prosperous future for this reach. Our design plan will incorporate an increase in sinuosity by adding 2 meander curves, a mulch path to allow visitors to experience the restored stream, and an expanding floodplain in combination with a no-mow zone to reduce the sediment runoff and establish and stabilize the banks. This will also help with the potential flood area in the nearby church parking lot and adjacent Alumni Drive. These meanders will help prevent erosion and promote flood control, as they will reduce the slope of the stream and allow for a more pronounced pool and riffle system to be introduced. These pools and riffles will provide an increased amount of high-quality habitat to coincide with a significant riparian zone expansion. The current habitat for our stream are 4 small fish and 1 duck. Currently, there are 4 small fish. Currently, a culvert is in place in the center of the stream, allowing a mowing crew to pass over the stream to cut grass recreationally. This culvert is causing the water to back up and thus slowing the water down. But as it passes through the other side, it causes a significant increase in speed, leading to increased bank erosion. As the stream begins to widen, the water loses its energy, and all of the sediment is dumped into the stream as it enters the outlet pipe. Both plans would include the removal of this culvert to decrease the risk of erosion and lower the amount of sediment deposition. Mowing crews would still be able to pass over a pre-existing path located at the outlet of the stream. If the culvert is unable to be removed, the placement of a cross vein at the exit of the culvert would help mitigate erosion by controlling the direction of flow away from the stream banks. Right now, there is a significant buildup of sediment at the inlet pipes leading to the stream, which is causing a reduced amount of flow, as it only allows for transport when the water level is high. Our proposed storm sewer outlets would help dissipate energy away from heavy rainfall events. The deep pools would allow for more sediment storage while still providing a pathway for water to travel. As these run the risk of becoming clogged, maintenance may be required to clear sediment or other debris. As this stream is found on university property, we are pleased to include an educational component. Monitoring the stream can be done by students in various classes, as it will allow them to see firsthand how native plants can help reconstitute an area. It would also allow for plant identification and help visualize possible wetland indicators. Even though an entirely new stream is being constructed, our price estimates place this option only $2,000 more than the plan created by the university. A full detailed report of the cost can be found on our poster and in our final report. These possibilities could be fact or they could be fiction. However, one truth is known: they currently only exist in the riparian zone.